Hello friends, welcome again to our channel. This is the last day, return day. In between we will cover Dhannakuria, Chandraketugor and Chakla. Overall in Taki the weather was beautiful and till now we are safe. Suhasini was better. The return started in early morning so that we can get more time and traffic in road will be lesser. The return journey route shown in map at first episode, link in description below. This place is Dhannakuria and this is the gate of Gayan Baganbari. Though it is Baganbari, but it looks like a English castle. This castle was never the property of any Englishman. This was built by Mahendranath Gayan, a wealthy businessman during the beginning of 20th century. At first look, it looks like a miniature of Windsor Castle with its battlements. The arcs on the balcony and entrance doors were well designed and thankfully have not been modified yet. Out of the many mansions in the vicinity, the mansions of Gayan, Vallabh and Sahu are still well maintained. The entry to the settlement is through a mid-sized lane from the Taki road, just beside the Gayan Baganbari. Going through the lane named Dhannakuria Benepara Road, one can see the pink building of Dhannakuria High School on the left. This is Chandraketugor. Beside this campus, there is a quite open space for parking. This place may looks like a very narrow and congested, but as per the historians say, this place have a huge national importance and only this single area is discovered. Actually, these ruins are the symbol of that time's civilization. Asutosh Museum of Indian Art conducted excavation between 1957 to 1968 and revealed relics of several historical periods. According to historians, the Chandraketugor site and surrounding area could be the place known to the ancient Greek and Roman writers as having the same name as river Ganges. Chandraketugor is thought to be a part of the ancient kingdom Gangaridae that was first described by Ptolemy, an Egyptian astronomer. The history of Chandraketugor dates back to almost the 3rd century BC during the Pre-Mauryan era. Artifacts suggest that the site was continuously inhabited and flourished through the Shunga and Kusana period, onwards through the Gupta period and finally in the Pal and Sena period. Archaeological studies suggest that Chandraketugor was an important town and a port city. It had a high encircling wall complete with a rampart and moat. Chandraketugor Fort is included in the list of monuments of national importance in West Bengal by Archaeological Survey of India. This place is popularly known for the legend Khana and Barahmihir. Khana was medieval Bengali language poet and legendary astrologer between 9th and 12th centuries AD. Also named Lilavati, was the princess from Sri Lanka. She was the daughter-in-law of famous astronomer and mathematician Barahmihir, also called Baraho or Mihir, a jewel among Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya's famed Navaratna Sabha. We entered Chakla. This is the nearest parking area just in front of main gate. It's huge and moderate clean. Now the temple have no huge gathering, so it was peaceful and clean inside. one thing must say that lunch, that's mean bhog at noon, served at nearly 2 p.m. So if you have kids or senior citizen, then you must be prepared in accordingly. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.